Hello guys, good morning. Here we are. My doggy, Jolina. Jolene. Jolene, you help me to unbox. Yeah? We're gonna unbox my new phone. Apple 17 Pro Max. You want to help? Oh no. You want to help? How to open this? Come on, help me, Jojo. You want to help, Jojo? Okay, you want to help. What is it? I'm gonna unbox. Yay! Excited. Are you excited? Oh, she's excited. Jojo is excited. Oh no. Jojo, I cannot open Joe. Maybe it's fake. Joe, are you excited? What is this? Oh no. I cannot open. Honey, can I borrow scissor? Please.
Yeah.
See? Wow. It's color. What color? What do you think? What color? Huh? What color?
Orange.
Orange, my choice. Yay. How are you gonna open this? How you gonna open? Honey, help me. Honey, help
I'll do
me.
the thing at the end. There are two stickers on either end.
This one. This one. And here's the other sticker. Where's the other sticker?
There's one each end.
Excited much? Are you excited? No? Are you excited? She's so excited. Kiss. Kiss if you're excited. Kiss if you're excited. Yay! It's orange. See? Wow, it's orange. Very excited. Excited, guys. This one, guys. See? See? I don't want to take. The only free is the charger. Yeah? We have charger and this one. So we need to put the new. What's that one, honey? I'm gonna put new this one. So yeah. Kiss. Thank you for watching. I'm excited to use. I'm excited to use. Oh, you want to use? Oh, come on. Oh, picture. You want to use? Say bye-bye. Bye-bye, guys. See you later. We're gonna put more pictures here. See you. I love you all.